Assalamu alaikum. Today we will work with the reference tab. This tab has many interesting functions and it is usually not used for any official purpose. Maximum time it is used in the case of writing books or any article. First there is table of contents, and I have added some article here to different pages and added a heading to each article here. Okay, then come to the first page and click on the table of contents. After clicking, you can choose table 1, table 2 or another one. Here is our table of content. You can able to show how many numbers we have to article heading on page, and different pages, also page number 2, 3, 4, and this is the title of our content. If you want to add some new table of contents, then click on update table. So easy. Next option is footnotes. This is used if you want to add a footnote to the task of writing a book. It is especially used in English writer's book. Okay, then after clicking here, this is the footnote. There will be spacing with a number below. You can write something. Okay, we added here. Okay, you added a article or a line. Okay, then when you move the mouse cursor to the end of text here, this is the number that will come up in this place, and you can write down anything. And this is your footnote, Pride and Prejudice. And you can also add end note. Then move your cursor to the up of the place and click here. This is the end note, and you can also hear your end note. Okay, this was the work of footnotes. And Next is there's smart lookup. It is very interesting thing if you want to know about the title, or your content. Then select the article and click on smart lookup, and then all the information about this on the internet will show up here about Pride and Prejudice. Okay, and next one is citations and bibliography. The job of this is when you write a book or write an article, if you copy a line, suppose this line, okay, suppose you copy a line, then you have to give credit to the writer. Definitely to do this, if you do not give the credit, you may be able to file a copyright lawsuit in your name. If you do not have the ability to file a copyright lawsuit in your name, then you have to use this option. If you do this, then here's the cursor of the mouse. Okay, click here and go to the insert citations and add new source. Okay, put the author name, Jane Austen, and the title, and year, city, okay, publisher, okay, and press OK here. After writing the right information, it added, and then if you want to give this information to the end, just then click on this option, bibliography, this. Okay, and after that, then there's the caption. To work on it, you need to work on the table, insert table of figures. For this, I am adding some tables. Here, and here. Okay, and then first I will go to insert, reference, and insert, and just put a caption, just table number, suppose table number 1. Okay, and then okay, table number 1. And then go to the first page. Here insert the table figure, table number 1. How put this? This is page number 3, and then we added the next table. Okay, the last option is index, and inside the index is the mark entry. If you have any imprint word in your book or article, important word, then those words will find out how many numbers are on the page. Then move your cursor here, mark entry, mark any important word, suppose right, mark, and move here, click mark, and then just journey, mark, and click here, mark, and close. Don't worry, it will be fine. Just go home and withdraw this option. It's fine. Then go to the first page here and reference, just insert index. Okay, look, the important word journey on the 3rd number page and pride on the 2 number page. Okay, next is the table of authority. Table of authority, through which the table can be added. Now if mark click on site, a table will come up. I will show you. Mark caption. Okay, then select a line, click here, mark. Next is in tale of 2 cities, click here, mark, close. Again same technique, and again go to the first page, click here, go to the reference and insert table of authorities here, and just click on OK. Here your cases in a tale of 2 cities, and this line you can find number 3 page, and Pride and Prejudice you can find number 2 page. Okay, I hope you will understand. If you still have any problems or if you have any question, then let us know in the comments. And obviously if you like this video, please like and comment and share this video. Thank you.